So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Facebook Marketplace search not working, clear cache memory, update and fix filter. So how to fix Facebook Marketplace search not working? Facebook Marketplace search failed due to cache corruption, strict filter, location blocks or outdated apps. Each 3-line fix below resolve one cause. Clear cache or data on Facebook app. In Android, go to settings, then apps, then Facebook, then storage, then OK. In iOS, offload app to fix corrupt search indexes. Second one is reset filter and location. Permissions and update app to broaden result and enable local listening. Third is test via browser on check account status if issues persist. Fix one is verify internet and restart. Ensure your internet is stable as weak signal prevents searching from loading. Restart your device to clear temporary glitches. Then test marketplace again. Confirm Wi-Fi or mobile data is strong by running a speed test app. Make sure the download and upload speed is at least 1 MB per second. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then turn it off to refresh the network connection. Close the Facebook app completely by opening recent tab and swiping Facebook away. Restart your phone, then press and hold the power button, then turn restart. This clear minor glitches without data loss. Fix second is clear app cache and data. In Android, open settings, then app, or app and notifications, then say all apps. Tap Facebook, then storage and cache. Tap clear cache first if no help, then clear storage, log out only. In iOS, settings, then journal, then iPhone storage, then Facebook. Then tap on offload app. Keeps data or delete app, reinstall the app store. Fix third is reset search filter. Open Facebook app, then marketplace tab. Tap search bar, then apply no filters or tab. Clear all at bottom for filter menu. Search a broad term like free to test. Overly strict or stuck filters narrow result to 0. Resetting broadens the algorithm query scope. So the fixed 4 is location setting. In devices like Android, go to settings, then location, then press on. Apps Facebook permission location allow each time. In iOS, settings, then privacy and security, then location services, then Facebook, then always or while using. Update radius in marketplace search. In apps like Facebook app, go to menu, then 3 lines, then setting and privacy, then settings, then location. Then turn on location access for Facebook, allow while using. Marketplace relies on GPS for local listening, disable access default to no area, hiding all, geo targeting result. Fifth fix is update app and test alternatives. App Store or Google Play Stores, then search Facebook, then update if available. Clear browser cache or use incognito. In Chrome, new incognito tab, then facebook.com/marketplace. Try another Facebook account or device. Outdated app have such bugs. Web alternate test isolate app specific issue on account bans or server side limit. So the sixth fix is reinstall Facebook. In Android, uninstall and reinstall step. Open settings, then app, then see all app, then scroll or search for Facebook, tap it to install, confirm OK, wait for completion. Open Google Play Store, then search Facebook, then tap install or update if listed. Open app, log in, grant permission and take marketplace test search. Remove all location data, cause searching bugs. Replace with clean install to restore full search functionality. In iOS, uninstall or reinstall step. Open settings, then journal, then iPhone storage. Scroll to Facebook, then tap it, tap delete app. Confirm, then open app store, search Facebook, tap get to reinstall. Open app, login, enable notification, test marketplace. Also check account and outages. It helps to understand violation, shadow ban, searches, auto outage map, confirm if it's Facebook wide versus your setup. From Facebook Marketplace, go to menu, then setting and privacy, then account status, and for restriction. Contact support via Facebook via help is unresolved. Thank you.